Hello guys, yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the voice of Steve Targima speaking to you guys. Okay, so today I have another exciting video for you guys. Alright, I have a very nice exciting video for you guys. Okay, but before I proceed, if you are new to my channel, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Steve Targima. I research on things and then I later researching on then I come back to this channel and then share it with you guys. So everything I share on this channel, I definitely research for it and it has already worked for me. Okay. So if you're a new member, please what you just have to do for me on this channel is just to like that. So like the button, click the subscription button, and also ask questions under the comment box. Okay, I'm always ready to answer your questions on the rest. And if I old member, please thank you. Please just help me to continue sharing the video to others. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys is something that is very exciting. I'm going to show you guys something that is very exciting. Okay, so for most of you here in Nigeria, okay, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy data with cheap prices. I'm going to show you guys how to buy data on MTM, Glow, 9 Mobile, Airtel on cheap prices. Okay, how you can buy 1 gig for 250 naira. You can get in as much as data as you want for very cheap prices. You can buy 5 gig for a very cheap price for less than 1,000 naira. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys that. So let me move in and go into the video, right? And also don't forget, I'm going to drop a link under my description which you can click on and it's going to take you automatically to the site which I'm going to use. Okay, so let me get into the video without wasting your time, and please watch to the end because the end is going to have everything you need. All right, okay, so let's get into the video. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy data on cheap prices. I'm going to show you guys how to buy data on cheap prices. Okay, so let me come into my Chrome. So the first thing you have to do is you have to come to your Chrome. Okay, so you can see this is my Chrome, your browser. So the first step, you need to go to your browser. Okay, whether you're using Android or iPhone, you have to go to your browser, right? Okay, so you just come into your browser and I'm going to type ocedata.com. Ocedata.com. That's the name of the website I'm using, and it's having a description under which you can click on it and it will take you to the link. You're going to register on the link I'm going to drop for you guys. Okay, so I'm using ocedata.com. Okay, so let's open the site and see how you can buy cheap data, how you can buy data on cheap prices without wasting a lot of money. Okay, so you can say it's signing me in. All right, so I've been using this website I think for the past 6 months now to buy my data. I buy a lot of data with cheap prices, so it's very nice. Okay, so I think let me reload the page. I think because of my network or something like that. Okay, all right, it's loading. Okay, so when you come into, after clicking on the link which I'm going to send to you, it's going to take you to this site automatically. Okay, so when you come to this site, the first thing you have to do is you have to log in first. Okay, the site has a lot of features, but I'm going to be showing you guys only for data. Okay, so you have to log into your site. Okay, so to log in, there is something vital here that I want to show you guys. Okay, it's either you can create an email and a password and log in. That's, you can come here, you can say this, you can come here and create an account. But the best way to log in, if you already have a Google account, you already have an email, what you just have to do is for you to come click on continue with Google. Okay, so when you click on continue with Google, it's going to sign you automatically in with your Google account. Okay, your Gmail, that's what I call Google account. So you can say I have two Gmail accounts here. You can say Kati Tagima and Steve Tagima, but I'm going to use the first one. That's the one I've been using already to log in. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. So if you have a Google account, just use your Google account and log in. That's the best pattern to log in, okay? So it's logging me in. You can see signing you in. Okay. So the best pattern to log in is with your Google account. Use your email to log in. Don't waste your time creating a new account. Most times you have issue with that. And in case you lost your phone, you lose your phone, you can still use your Google again to recover your account. Very easy. Okay. So I think my network is a bit bad, guys. So what I'm going to do is, without wasting time, let me relog in again with my Google account. Okay. Okay, so you can see that the network seems to be bad. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to relog in again, then log in with my Google account. Just the steps I did. Just try and follow this up, okay? So it's going to sign me in. Okay. All right. So you can see it's signing me in, signing you in. Okay. So you can see, yup, you can see have been signed in. Okay, so when you sign in, this is how the site looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. These are the features. Okay, so you can see I've done a lot of transactions with this site. You can see the last day I did a transaction on the site was May 18th, 2022. Okay, so I think the date of today is it 21st or so, and I did a transaction there 3 days ago. I got 1 gig on MTN for 30 days. Okay, and you can see the last transaction I still did here, 200 naira. Okay, so wallet funding, I funded 200 naira here. Okay, so I've been doing a lot of transaction with the app and the rest. Okay, so with the site. Okay, so when you open the site, this is how the site looks like. The site has a lot of features. It has a black mode. You click here, it's going to change your site into a black thing. Okay, so let me open it back to the normal thing which I want to use. Okay, but look at the main thing here. So just imagine, so when you open the site, you see buy data, right? You see buy data here. So you have to choose the network you want to choose and get your data. Okay, so in case you want to buy data, you are using MTN, Glow, Airtel, 9 Mobile. Okay, just imagine I'm using MTN. I normally use MTN for my browsing. Okay, so you're going to select your data plan, which I'm clicking on select data plan. So just look at something exciting here. 500 MB you just buy for 125 naira. 1 gig you're going to buy with 250 naira. Normally you buy 1 gig with 1000 naira on MTN. 2 gig you're buying with 500 naira. 5 gig you are going to buy with 1250 naira. 10 gig you are going to buy with 2500. Guys, just imagine that. That's what most times I do. I just buy 5 gig with 1250 naira. Sometimes I get 10 gig with 2500. Just imagine that, guys. So the site is very very nice. Okay, so we can see we also have Glow. I think the ones for Glow are more expensive. Okay, so you select your data plan. So you can see for Glow 1 gig 415 naira and so on and so on. Just imagine, guys. Just imagine this, guys. On Glow, in fact, on Glow, guess what? You buy 18.20 18.25 gig for 4,500, and then you're buying that and so on, guys. So the site is very very nice. It's very very nice. Okay, so before that, maybe most people will be asking that, how do I fund my wallet? How do I fund the account? Okay, guys, to fund your account is very easy. If you notice, I have 10 naira remaining in my account, guys. Okay, so what you have to do is just have to come to add funds. Okay, you click on add funds. So this, when you click on add fund, what they do is that they give you options of which account you want to credit to. So if you are using, they give you accounts that you should deposit your money inside. Okay, which normally I use the first account, which is Sterling Bank. So you just copy the account number, you come back to either your mobile banking, or you just use your pin and then you credit it. Okay, so when you credit it, automatically after crediting automatically your funds will add and it's going to increase in your wallet. Okay, so your fund automatically is going to increase. So you can see here I have 10 naira which I've already been using. Now let me show you guys evidence because I work with proofs and evidence. So you can see here, these are my transactions that I've been using. You can see success, you can see, so these are transactions I've been using to credit my account and the rest. Sometimes I buy data here for, and most times I've been buying data. So these are the transactions I do use. Okay, so the site is very nice. As I told you guys, I've been using it for the past 6 months. That's a long time. Okay, and the best thing, there's one single thing I like about this site is that you can also download the app on into your phone. Okay, so you can also download the app, which I also have the app into my phone. So the best time to download the app is on the site here. They have an option to download the app, which you can also download the app to your phone. Okay, so guys, I've been using this to buy data, cheap data, to buy data expensive, a lot of data for cheap prices. Okay, and I also have the app in my phone. Let me go back to my phone. You can see I have the app in my phone. Okay, so I want to show you guys the app in my phone. So this is the app here in my phone, OCE data. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to give you guys the link on the description. So just click on the link on the description and then use the link to register your account and start buying data through this website, through this app. Is very nice and it's legit. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and expect more videos. I have amazing videos on this channel that you can go on and check. Very interesting videos that will give value to you. Okay, so thank you all for watching this video and hope to see you again on my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.